Install Template Co. Going to give you a quick rundown on one of our products as well as how fast they can be used to install. So right here we got a 50-inch. This is one of our prototypes. If you look over here, we've got 50, 55, 65, 75, and 85. Again, these are all prototypes, but the goal here is to speed up Samsung frame and other installations. So we actually make these templates now in acrylic. These are all MDF for cost savings. To get our templates prototype, it's a patent pending design with the 3 pieces and all the indicator marks on it. What you got is a center indicator mark. So if you know the center of the room, you can take a level, match those up. Our guide here is just like the Samsung frame. So center of this slot to the top of the TV, center of this slot to the bottom. So that information doesn't change within Samsung. Everything that you measure off of your paper template, if you wanted to back it up or use it, you could. These all match perfectly. The nice thing is none of these change. These dimensions are all solid because they're acrylic and they're stiff materials, so they cannot change that dimension. So you're going to get a way more accurate install. The other nice thing about these, if you take a level, you can just level all the way across it. So, and these don't have any flex, so you're not going to lose any dimension there. If you've done a bunch of Samsung frames, if you're 1/8 of an inch off on this wing and 1/8 inch off this wing to the right, your TV is going to shift over 1/4 inch. So it's going to give you a more accurate install, and it's extremely fast to install these. So I'm going to jump over on this wall where we've already got a 1-connect box installed. I'm going to just show you just how fast it is to install one of our products. Okay, so I'm going to give you a rundown on just how quick it is going to be to install our template on here compared to the paper template. So you may have seen previous video, but paper templates always look like this when you're done. They clip together. They're just kind of trash. We don't want to use those. The other bad thing is you got to come in here and look for the little tiny writing. You know, this room's pretty well lit for videos, but you get into a home, this stuff's hard to see. So you just toss all these out. You don't need them. And again, this is one of our more final prototype designs. So this is going to be out of 1/8 inch acrylic. It's got the same wing area here to match to drop your frame in. So you could indicate this if you wanted to. All of our measurements are based on this hole right here on the left and right wing. Top TV, bottom TV, and then our center indicator marks are on there. So what I'm going to use to install this is 3 things. So tape to mark the top of the TV, a level, and then obviously a tape measure to get left and right across. And then I'm going to use a Pica pencil and a chalk shot to make my marks. That's literally all I'm going to do to get this thing going. And so we'll do a countdown timer on it, and I can show you just how quick one of these are to install. So customer A has told us they want our TV top to be at that height. They want the TV center to cover this 1-connect box up. So all we're going to do on this is take our tape measure. Going to find center of the TV area. So in that case, we're right here. And then we're going to take our template. Going to come down, find center. Going to take our wing indicator here, come up, pull that up to the specs that are given from Samsung. And then the last step here, we're going to take our trusty level. So that's level there. Going to pull it out. It's absolutely perfect. The nice thing about that is you can just pull up one side or however you want to get it going. Going to unlock the chalk shot here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to pull that off carefully, pull that off carefully. And so what you got here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes that are perfectly centered, perfectly level, ready for your anchoring choice. I like the togglers. I don't like to use the Samsung bolts. You just toggle in, toggle in, toggle in again, and mount your TV just like you're doing a Samsung frame. So super fast, super quick, and I'm going to go ahead and end the timer there.